Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for tuning in. My name is Stephanie. Today I'm going to talk about the KAYALI Yum. Today I'm talking about the KAYALI Yum Bougie Marshmallow 81. Now I know everyone's already had reviews on this, but this is my impressions, first impressions, second impressions, whatever. So the whole hoopla regarding the release of this, I didn't get behind that because one, I don't have a Sephora app, and number two, I'm not that. Well, no, we all know I'm impatient, so let's not talk about that. Anyway, I went to the mall and they got this in stock at Sephora last Wednesday, which I believe was the, I don't know what day it was, anyway, the 22nd, 21st, 20th, the 20th. Because it is, yes, the 20th. And so I went in and I sprayed one or two on my chest, one on my, inside of my wrist. And then I picked up the vanilla candy rock sugar and I sprayed it on this wrist, right? And then I proceeded to go to other stores, shop around for a while, see how it did, right? And I remember I was in Target and I was like, that smells good. And I was like, you sure it's not the vanilla candy rock sugar? Because that is really strong, right? So I said, I don't know, because it's on his hand. It's really reaching this far up from down here. I can, yeah. So I was like, yeah, I still smell, it was that. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back and get it. And they had the last 3.4 ounce bottle. So I snatched it up and I wore it to work 2 days in a row with nothing else. I didn't layer it with anything. The first day, I didn't put no lotion on. I'll tell you, I was dry and ashy, okay? I got two different compliments. They were like, you smell good. And I was like, thank you. It's like, tomorrow I told them what it was. And I was like, and it lasted all day. I could still smell it. By the end of the day, I could still smell it on me. So this is described as a gourmand. And you know, she likes yummy things. And it's supposed to be part of the Yum line, which is the pistachio, was it Yum Pistachio Gelato? So this one, the top notes are Pink Lady Apple, Italian Lemon, Freesia, and Nectarine Blossom. Middle notes are Pink Marshmallow, Strawberry, Coconut Flakes, Orange Blossom, and Water. And the base notes are Whipped Vanilla, Pink Musk, Raspberry Sugar, Ambrox, and KAYALI Accord. Now the KAYALI Accord is something that she has that she's putting in all of her fragrances. So it's like a special note that she has. So I don't know if you like Victoria's Secret fragrances. All of their fragrances, I don't care what it's called, what it's named, what the notes are. There is this underlying scent profile that I get in all of their fragrances. And that's the same thing that's happening with the KAYALI brand, which is okay, I have no problem with that. But the thing about her fragrances, they're all supposed to be in the spirit of layering, right? And the first fragrance that she came out with was the Elixir 11, which I have. And her idea was that any fragrance going forward will be able to be layered with this. I don't think that's hot. I tried it. This is so strong. It has red apple, rose de mai, absolute, jasmine, sambac, absolute, vanilla, and patchouli. This is very strong. I feel like if you do decide to layer this with any other fragrances in the line, you would do 1 or 2 sprays. That's it. You don't wanna, because this is very, it's lovely, but it's very heavy. But I did layer it with a Yum Bougie Marshmallow 81, and I was like, it was giving a nice vibe, but at the same time, I think I oversprayed this. So, you know. So on her website, she does recommend her layering combinations. That's what I'm going to talk about beyond the fact that I like it. It's more like a skin scent. I think, like I said, the Ambroxan, which is in the base, it tends to go rogue. After a few hours, you don't smell it anymore. It's that synthetic molecule where you go nose blind to, but other people can smell it on you. And it kind of goes in waves. It comes and goes, you know, and that's okay. I don't need something that is this sweet to give me 10 hours of just intense fragrance in my face. Now the vanilla candy rock sugar, This is very strong. When you first spray it, it's in your nostrils. You get that candied pear, you get the bubble gum, you get the vanilla, you get the sugar, you get all that. And that continues on throughout the lifespan of the fragrance. This comes in on a whisper. It's like, hey, you like candy? I heard you like candy, right? Well, I got something for you. You like marshmallows? You want some lemon? Oh, you like musk too? And vanilla? Oh, you like pink powdered sugar? Well, actually pink, what is it called? Pink musk. I don't know what pink musk is. I think this is, they make it up shit. But this is very beautiful. Like, it's sweet. You get the vanilla. It's inviting. It's very sweet, and it's not overwhelming. And so I looked at a couple reviews, and I told myself I don't want to be influenced or biased based on what I heard. And I understand their frustrations, because if you have a lot of fragrances and then you go and buy this, and you're like, oh, it smells like something I already got. It's gonna happen. Unfortunately, it's gonna happen. I do layer stuff, but I tend to, when I first get something, I want to smell it as it is. I don't want to have to initially go out and, oh, this is gonna have to layer with something else. So with that being said, it is a standalone great scent by itself. You can layer with other things. I mean, it's a layerable fragrance. And so the two fragrances that she recommends for layering with from the KAYALI line, the first one is the Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. I did try this combination, chef's kiss, chef's kiss. I would probably do like 3 to 2 as far as if you want to smell more of this, and then 3, 2, you want to smell more of this. The next combination is going to be, well, actually the first one on her page is the, look at the top, the Pistachio Yum Gelato, Yum Pistachio Gelato number 33 formulations. And then this one. So I did spray these two on paper. It's lovely. It's very lovely. The funny thing about this one, I first bought the original one, I mean the travel size in Vegas, like the thin, skinny one. And I was at work in the bathroom and I was spraying myself, and it slipped out my hands, it fell to the floor and broke. I was so heartbroken. As I'm walking out while I'm washing my hands, and Corey comes in, she's like, you smell good. I said, I just broke my bottle and fell on the floor. She was like, is that what I smell it? Yes, that's what you're smelling. You're smelling that. So the final combination that she likes is going to be the Vanilla 28, the Holy Grail. Ooh, if I can get it out the box. The Vanilla 28 original with this one, these two together. Thumbnail. These two together, this is a good combination too. I tried this yesterday and I was impressed. I was like, yeah. And yeah, so I think, and you know the crazier thing is price, right? So I was thinking I was going to originally get the travel size, which is like $30. But I said I'm spending $30 to get what, point, not even an ounce, I don't know what the 2 point something, which could go towards the price of a larger bottle. So I just got the larger bottle of girl math, right? And I'm happy with my purchase. Like I said, I will So overall, I do like this fragrance. I recommend it. It's very, like I said, it's very reasonably priced. If you go into Macy's or any department store right now, you try to go to the makeup counter, go in there and you want something by Givenchy or Chanel or even YSL, right? Even if you get the small bottle, it's starting at $150, $125, By the time you get the larger bottle, you're up to like $170 with tax. This was $138, and unfortunately Sephora, see, this is the thing, right? So I went to Sephora and I was like, oh, I'm gonna use 1,000 points in the store because that's like $20, right? I can't, you can only use over 500 points online. So if I decided to buy this online, I could have applied 1,000 points to my purchase, which is only $20. So I only did 500 in the store, which pretty much pay for the tax on the purchase, which is whatever. That's a whole nother story. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, educational, and or entertaining, please consider joining my growing channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.